Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Ethereum on Trading 212 application. So first of all, before buying Ethereum on Trading 212, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply apply for a crypto account. So when you have created your account, you may have selected the invest account or the CFD account, but now you can also create a crypto account, and in that crypto account only you will be able to get access to all of the cryptocurrencies. So once this is done, you need to just simply tap on this search icon here in the middle, and over here in the search bar you need to simply search for Ethereum or ETH. Now when you are able to find Ethereum over here in this list, you just have to simply tap on that, then it is going to show you its current price. So over here you can analyze it, you can change it from the line to the candlesticks chart, and then you can just simply place your order by tapping on this buy option over here, entering the amount, and then tap on the option of review order and make this purchase. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.